Alright, the fence is up. Now the dogs have got to test it. They've all been in the house all morning while we get this part done, so they're going nuts. Speedy's over there locked in the fence trying to plant potatoes. And we got 3 dogs who really want to see her. I will make some type of a gate. Right now it's just kind of screwed to this pole over here, so you can basically just pop it off. But as long as the dogs don't know where we get in and out, I don't think they're going to figure it out too quick. But Buddy's going to try. Buddy! You can't get in there. You can't get in there. You're locked out. You're locked out. Yeah.